girl SHEJACKIE says, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIE say. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIE.
what is up, SJS Nation? SJS family, is your favorite girl SHEJACKIE says, and I am back on your screens once again with another video. But before I continue, thank you all to my subscribers. Thank you all for the support. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to also turn on your post notifications. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to style oversized denim jackets. Most of the times you see people wearing oversized denim jackets anyhow. You see it and you be like, this dress has no style. You could have done a lot more with this. So today, your favorite girl, I am here. I know, right? I am here today to share with you all how to style oversized denim jackets in different ways with different types of clothing. So without wasting my time, let's get right into today's video.
So there guys, this is the first one that I'll be wearing. This is just my Ankara top with my denim shorts and my denim jacket. You can style it any way and anyhow you want it. This is just a simple but classy look. So with this next look, all you have to do is just button up your denim jacket and just tuck it in, get a belt, and you're good to go, guys. I wouldn't be doing much explaining in this video because most of the styles in here are just self-explanatory. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Where I need to explain, I will definitely do so. So guys, with this one, I think I need to come in. This is the same denim jacket, but this time around, I made it shorter with my belt. I just tied it up and I am good to go, guys.
This next styling is this denim jacket. It's a bit much harder than the other ones that I wore. So this is how it looks like. So you're going to be styling this one too to see how it will look. Different styles altogether. Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl SHEJACKIE.
You might be wondering if you could wear a denim jacket with a straight dress. Of course, I didn't leave the straight dress lovers fans out there. You all, I got you all. You could definitely wear it with a denim jacket.
She goes every day, SHEJACKIE says.
This next style has some white t-shirts with some slacks and the sneakers. Of course, I love sneakers. With our denim jacket on top of it, we are good to go. You could wear this when you're going to town to buy some stuff. So when you're meeting up with your friends in the park, you could take this anywhere, just style it up anyhow you want it. It's all up to you. Moving on to our next attire, guys. As you can see, I am in an all black attire which matches with everything. I just tied my denim jeans just around my waist and I am good to go. I could also wear it on the black dress and I am also good to go, guys. This next style is with a pattern jean and it is still with our denim jacket. I just pulled it down a little bit to make it look like an off-shoulder top with a pattern up jean and I was good to go, guys. Ask me why I love this look and I'll tell you that it makes me look bougie, guys. So this look is classy. Office or anywhere, you could still look important with your denim jacket over it. I just hung it over my shoulder and I was good to go, guys. This is so classy and you need to try this out.
This is just a normal t-shirt which is in two folds. It's a bit short and it's with sneakers. So this is how you're going to style this one too. You could use an oversized denim which is a bit longer than this, or you could use the shorter one. So let's use the shorter one and the longer one and let's see which one fits best, guys.
Okay guys, so this next style goes with an inner. This is my sports bra and over my slacks. You could wear it over any type of jean, and you just wear your denim jacket on top of it. You could open it up, button it up, tie it up, and you're good to go. This style is so easy and anyone can wear it, of all shapes, of all sizes. Anybody can wear it. Like, do we even have shapes and sizes? So guys, as you can see, this next one is not actually a denim jacket, but it is a denim dress, and I am showing so my skin here, and you can style it any way you want, with sneakers, with heels, anyhow you want it. You're good to go, guys. I just had to loosen up the belt a bit, and it makes it a different style altogether. So the first one with the belt, this one with no belt, you could still wear it, you could still style it like this, guys. Style is very common with a jean, with a denim jacket, with an inner, and you're good to go. Choose to wear this with a comfortable heel or a sneaker, but I prefer to wear heels for this style.
Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl SHEJACKIE says, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIE say. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIE says. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIE.
Same denim jacket, same jean. I just had to button it up, just 1 or 2 buttons, and I am good to go. Just make it like an off shoulder, and you got your style. Just a simple spiced up blouse with a jean, and this is my denim vest jacket. I just had to add a little bit of touch to it. I just felt that something was missing, and I was good to go. So if you have an old blouse, if you have an old top, if you have an old vest or something somewhere, you could just add a bit of denim to it, and ta-da, you've got a different style altogether. This isn't more of a classy look for me. This looked like someone who has a high sense of fashion, who has a deeper taste of fashion, guys. You can just style this up in any way you want to.
so there guys, that brings me to the end of today's video in several ways in styling your denim jacket. Don't forget to leave a comment below. You can also follow me on all my social media handles, which are in my description box below. It's still your favorite girl, SHEJACKIE says, your favorite hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest and the juiciest, and I am out. Peace, guys.
Woman, SHEJACKIE say. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIE says. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIE says. With the